Good morning everybody. Hello students. I myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda District, Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, and the syllabus of SY BSc semester first to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221. The syllabus is based on the choice based credit system syllabus. In semester 4th there are 6 points of credits. In semester 4th 6 points of the credits, that is 12 point credits, that is SY BSc course carry 12 points. In this year semester first there are 3 papers, paper first, paper second, paper third. Paper first BO 31, paper second BO 32 and paper third BO 33 based on the practical based on the BO 231, BO 232. Same as semester 4th, course code BO 41, BO 242, BO 243, that is to BO 243 is the practical based on the BO 241, 242. It carry 6 credit points total. There are 12 credit points in SY BSc. Today I discuss and we learn unit number 3rd, paper taxonomy of angiosperms and plant ecology. Unit number 3rd, study of families, family Amaryllidaceae, family number 8th. In our syllabus only one family of monocot, family Amaryllidaceae, one family of monoclamide, that is Petali, family Nyctiginaceae, 3 families of Gamopetali, Rubiaceae, Solanaceae and Apocynaceae, and 3 families of Polypetali, family Anonaceae, Brassicaceae and Myrtaceae. Total in our syllabus included 8 families, and today we will learn family monocot family Amaryllidaceae. This family is generally called the tuberose family. The examples of tuberose family are economic important plants, and common examples of tuberose family is Polyanthus tuberosa, Agave americana, Amaryllis belladonna, Pancratium caribeum and Narcissus pseudonarcissus. That is tuberose, Ghypath, Easter lily, daffodil and Pancratium caribeum, spider lily. These are examples, 5 examples of Amaryllidaceae. Then distributions of family Amaryllidaceae. In the world there are at about our family is distributed 105 genera and 1770 species distributed all over the world. In India 6 genera and 60 species distributed all over India. Then systematic position of the family. Kingdom Plantae Shelvan is made up of cellulose, presence of green chlorophyll pigment, division phanerogames, flowering and seed bearing plants, subdivision angiospermy, ovules are enclosed in the ovary or seeds are present in the fruit. Then class, previous 7 families class dicot, but family Amaryllidaceae class Monocotyledone. What is the reasons of class Monocotyledone? Seeds with what cotyledon, branched or adventitious fibrous root system, stem unbranched, parallel venation of the leaf, flower trimerous, vascular bundles are arranged in the scattered type. These are characters of monocots. Then monocots are directly divided into series, not subclass, according to Bentham Medaco system. Series Epigyne, flower epigynous, region flower epigynous, ori inferior. If flower is epigynous, ori inferior. If flower perigynous, ori partly superior, partly inferior. If flower hypogynous, ori superior. Then salient features of the family. What is the salient features? In salient features there are morphological characters of the family. In morphological characters of the family there are 2 types, vegetative characters and floral characters. With vegetative characters, habit, root, stem, leaf. In floral characters, inflorescence, flower, perianth, androecium, gynoecium, fruit, seed. And then floral formula, and then how to draw or how to write floral formula and floral diagram, and then distinguishing characters. First, series Epigyne, flower epigynous, ori inferior, family Amaryllidaceae, regions of family Amaryllidaceae, flower trimerous, epigynous, ori inferior, trilocular, plants with bulb, corm, rhizomata stem. These are characters of family Amaryllidaceae. Then habit, vegetative character. In apology there is habit, vegetative characters, habit. Plants are mostly perennial, rhizomatous herb, corm and bulb. Then root system is adventitious fibrous root system, branch is adventitious fibrous root system. Then stem is underground rhizome with bulb or corm. Then leaves simple, alternate, linear, entire margin, narrow, radical or cauline. Radical leaves, that is leaves appears near ground level, cauline at the apex of plant or shoot. Then leaves spiny apex or spiny margin in the American path. Then these leaves are with waxy coating. Next characters, floral characters. Flower before flower, inflorescence. The flowers are born at the tip of the scape. What is the scape? Scape means flowerless, leafless, stalk or peduncle of the flowers. Then it is panicled spike, that is the racemose types of inflorescence. Spike means flowers without stalk, that is sessile flowers called spike. Then flower bracteolate, epigynous, complete, bisexual, trimerous, tubular, white colored. These are characters of flowers. Then here is, or in this family, calyx and corolla is absent or distinct into petaloid perianth. That is perianth in two series, that is 3 plus 3, 6 perianth. Inward part of the perianth is called the tepals. In family Amaryllidaceae, 6 tepals are present, that is 3 plus 3, gamophilous. 3 plus 3, gamophilous and present on the tube. Then androecium. Individual part of the androecium is called stamens. In this family, stamens are 6, that is 3 plus 3, epiphilous, that is present on the perianth or tepals, that is stamens are epiphilous. Filament slender, anthers versatile, tube funnel shaped. Then gynoecium, ori, tricarpellary, syncarpous, inferior, trilocular with axile placentation, each locule with 2 ovules, trilocular ovary. Then fruit generally capsule or sometimes berry. Fruit generally capsule. Seeds endospermic, fleshy, black and flattened. Then floral formula. Flower is bracteate, bracteolate, small leaf-like outgrowth present at the base of the flower. Bracteolate, papery small leaf-like outgrowth present. Flower, actinomorphic flower, that is perianth, and stamens and gynoecium are present, complete flower. Bisexual, that is androecium, gynoecium is present in that flower. Perianth 3 plus 3, that is perianth in 3 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is 6 perianth, perianth fused, then androecium 3 plus 3, free, polyandrous, intros, anthers vasatile, filaments short or long, then gynoecium, stamen siphiphilous, then gynoecium, tricarpellary, syncarpus, inferior ovary with axial placentation, fruit capsule, seed endospermic, black, flattened. These are characters of family Amarylliaceae. Then floral diagram. How to draw floral diagram? Perianth 3 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is 6 perianth. Bracts, bracteoles, that is small leaf-like outgrowth is present at the base of the flower. Then at the base of the flower, another large leaf-like outgrowth is present, that is bracteole, bract. Then stamens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 3 plus 3 stamens. Stamens are attached on the perianth. 3 large and 3 small perianth. Then mother axis. This is the floral diagram of family Amarylliaceae. Then an example or economically important plants. Then distinguishing characters of the family. The plants mostly parent the herb with rhizomatous stem, corm or bulb. Leaves radical, extrapolate, cauline with parallel venation. Flowers in long leafless scales called scape. Flowers are umbellate cyme or spike. Trimerous with bracts and bracteoles. Tepals 6 in 2 holes, that is 3 plus 3, gamophilous. Stamens 3 plus 3, epiphilous. Anthers versatile. Ovary tricarpellary, trilocular, syncarpus, inferior ovary with axial placentation. These are distinguishing characters of the family. Then economic important plants of the family. First economic important plant Polyanthus tuberosa, tuberose, hence the name of the family is tuberose family. Second Amaryllis belladonna, eastern lily, Agave americana, Gaipath, Narcissus, pseudo-narcissus, daffodil, pancratium, caribium, spider lily. These are 5 economic importance of the family. Then economic importance of the tuberose or Polyanthus tuberosa. The tube or flower tube, tuberose tubes of Polyanthus tuberosa yields oil called tuberose oil. It is cultivated in the garden for ornamentation and flowers are used as garlands in various ceremony. The tuberose roots are used as powerful tonic and the dried bulbs are used as gonorrhea or used to cure gonorrhea. Flowers are diuretic. These are economic importance of Polyanthus tuberosa. Then second Agave americana. Fiber yielding plants, Gaipath. The leaves or fleshy leaves, phylloclade leaf, spiny leaf is used as fiber, which is used as sole and ropes, prepared to sole and ropes. Then the roots are diuretic, the leaves are used as laxative, plants are cultivated, hedge plant in the garden compound or garden. Then Amaryllis belladonna, Easter lily, ornamental plants cultivated in the garden for ornamental plants. Because of large beautiful flowers and flowers are attractive, leaves produce starch, it produces alkaloid, lycorine in the both or it produces alkaline from bulb and produce starch. This starch or alkaloid is used as heart diseases. Then fourth, narcissus, pseudo-narcissus. This is the daffodil plant, generally called a daffodil plant, a beautiful bulbous plant grown in the garden for its large attractive flowers. It produces scented flowers. And yields, and this plant yields essential oil used in the perfumery industry. Then fifth plant, Pancratium, Caribium, spider lily plant. This is also cultivated. This plant also cultivated in the garden for ornamentation. Flowers are attractive and showy, hence cultivated in the garden. These are 5 economic important plants of family Amaryllidaceae. This is the 8th family of monocots or SYBC syllabus. How to write? What is the question bank of this family? Give the 5 plants or enlist the 5 plants of Amaryllidaceae. Give 2 economic important plants of family Amaryllidaceae. What is the class of family Amaryllidaceae? What is the series of family Amaryllidaceae? Then, what is the gynoecium or write gynoecium about family Amaryllidaceae? How many carpels are present in the family Amaryllidaceae? What types of stigma in the family Amaryllidaceae? There is trilobed stigma, tricarpellary family. What types of classification in the family Amaryllidaceae? What types of stem? In family Amaryllidaceae, there are types of leaf venation, that is parallel leaf venation. These are question bank or example or exercise of family Amaryllidaceae. This is important family in our syllabus and only included only one monocot family, family Amaryllidaceae. This lecture is only for SYBC students and this is my video lecture for only education purpose for SYBC students. Thank you students, thank you.